Number 6, a 5-star. Good luck, everyone. Did he really? He does have his moments, doesn't he? Everybody can get a good shot of my ugly mug. There we go, guys. Good luck, everybody. All in here, all pretty. There she goes. Pull it up. Take a good look. Leading off for the Baltimore Orioles, Cal Ripken Jr. Good start. 50 of 50. That's a lasty, huh? The last one in the series. That's a way to get us started. The Orioles. JC Moore 82, Jeremy. That's neat. For the New York Yankees. Hit me 2 home runs, Paul. A Seinfeld reference. Paul O'Neill. Come on. Let's focus. Yeah, let's see. If we lower it, maybe we can get a better shot. Nope, not yet. All right, it's Paul O'Neill, the Yankees. DA collector, Ernie. Nice. Number 47 of 399. Let me straighten this up here. Maybe let's get it straight. No, straighten the cards. For the Houston Astros, George Springer. Yeah, there we go. There's a better look. 32 of 499. George Springer, the Astros. Jamie, third on. Jamie, I told you it would all work out for us, right? For the San Francisco Giants, Madison Bumgarner. That is 50 of 299. Madison Giants go to Stuper, Darren. Sweet. There you go, Darren. Nice. Congrats. For the New York Mets, a few years late, Dice K. Daisuke Matsuyama for the Mets. We needed this to be, what, 2007, right? 2007 was the time to have him? Or the time to pull him, I should say. And our Mets belong to TNC Cards. Thomas. And finally, for the Minnesota Twins, Joe Mauer auto patch. A sweet looking little patch too. Look at that. Joe Mauer 22 of 35. And the Twins, DA collector Ernie. Yeah, that was sweet. And since there's only a few, we can do a recap since there's only a few. Joe Mauer, auto patch, 22 of 35. Dice K for the Mets, number to 499. Madison Bumgarner, number to 299. Giants. George Springer. The Astros. Paul O'Neill, Yankees. And Cal Ripken Jr., number to 50. All right, guys, thanks for filling that up. As always, we appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thanks for being patient. Thanks for joining. Have a great rest of your day and a beautiful weekend, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.